Welcome to Agatech Institute of Electronic.
Um, Welcome once again to Agatech Institute of Electronics. What do we have today? Today we have an Infinix hot60i. Infinix hot60i, and the problem is backlight coming from another workshop. I decided to cover the name, but the problem is backlight. So what have we checked? What have we checked? When I check, I discover it was water damage, and so it has corroded the let me show you under the microscope. It has corroded the connector. You can see the connector. You can see the connector. So you can see this part. So that was what was here. That was the side that was here. So, and the connector on the board also spoiled. So I fixed the connector on the board. And because I don't have this kind of connector, I fixed the pin that spoiled. The two of them, those two pins have spoiled. So I removed it from another connector, and I decided to turn it. I decided to turn the connector. So this part that you are seeing here was originally on this side, but then I have repaired it. I changed those two pins, the first two pins, and also the screen connector too. The connector on the screen also have spoiled. Focus. Oh, let's say, okay, you can see those two pins have spoiled, so I fixed them too. I fixed those two pins were fixed. So, but then after fixing it, I discovered that the phone still did not, the backlight still did not work. So, what's next? I decided, okay, let's check the backlight circuit, and I opened I opened the metal shield that covered the backlight circuit. So this is the backlight circuit. From the microscope, you can see this is the backlight circuit. This is the IC. This is the IC that controls the backlight. This is the inductor, and this is the diode. Sorry. This is the diode. Yeah, this is the diode. And from here, the signal goes to the screen connector. So you can see the signal go this way to the screen connector. So what did I notice? Let me show you. Let's see it together. Let's see it together. I set my meter to continuity, and I decided to check if the 2 points are connected. Let me show you. So this from this diode, that signal is supposed to come to this first leg of the screen connector, this leg, and it's supposed to beep because the meter is in continuity. So what did I discover? You discover that there's no connection. And what is the problem? If you check to this point, there's connection, and if you check from this point to the connector, there's connection. So it means that this fuse has opened. This fuse has opened. This fuse is supposed to read continuity. So what are we supposed to do? We'll remove this fuse, put another one. We'll remove the fuse and put another one, and then check. So let's quickly do that. Uh, okay, the fuse is bad. I can easily just use a jumper. I can put wire there. If I put jumper wire there, it will still work, but then it's not wise because uh, what happened that spoiled the fuse would have spoiled something else if it was a jumper that was there. So instead of putting a jumper, we'll put another fuse. Um, let's pick a fuse from another board. Let's pick one of them. Okay, let's use this. Let's fix it properly. So, okay. Now put the meter back into continuity. Now let's check. So from this diode, it should connect to this connector. Good. Now let's test our phone. We can be certain that the phone will work now. So the phone is working now. Now the screen connector on the board, the FPC connector on the board was bad. The FPC connector on the screen was bad, and the fuse in the backlight circuit was bad. So fixing the three of them fixed the phone, and the phone is ready to serve the customer again. Thank you for watching, and click the like button. Bye.